Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an acrylic pouring swipe with just paint, water, and silicone oil. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using the Artisan metallic paints in Aztec Gold and Gold, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white and black, and the Artist Loft brand silicone oil. And I'm just adding a few drops of silicone oil to my colors here. Like I said, they were just mixed with water, nothing else. And what I did was I put about 3 tablespoons of paint in my cups here and then added water by the teaspoon just to kind of get it to pouring consistency. And then if I added too much water, I would add a little bit more paint, so on and so forth. I'll link a video down below where I show you exactly how I mix my paints with water if you guys want to check it out. And now I'm just going to go in and add my colors here to my canvas. Pretty straightforward. I was just making different lines of the color. And make sure too when you're using silicone oil that you stir that oil into your paint. And then I just went in with some black at the top there, no silicone oil in that, and swiped with some wax paper. And you can see the cells were starting to develop, and then I hit it with my torch, and they really popped out after I did that. And the cells were so cute. They were just like tiny baby cells all over. So I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like in about 30 minutes to see if the cells got any bigger or changed at all. But this is just fresh after the swipe, a little close-up of how the cells were looking. And here it is about 30 minutes later. Nothing changed at all. It stayed basically the same. I did have a few cells get a little bit bigger, but not too many. And you can really see that beautiful sheen from the Artisan metallics. They're really gorgeous colors. If you guys want to check out any of the Artisan metallics or any Artisan products, I'll link their information down below in the description box. And I have a discount code for you too if you want to get any paint, or they have all kinds of art supplies on their website, so be sure to check them out. But what do you guys think about this one? I think it turned out really cool, and I just wanted to upload this really quickly to show you guys what I was experimenting on. I was really wondering if just using paint and water would work, and a little bit of silicone oil. So if you liked it, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing good and you have a good weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday for another video. Bye!